What's up? We're gonna be doing a Y2K challenge here in San Antonio today.
Yeah!
We're gonna go to 3 different thrift stores.
Okay.
We're gonna pick each other's outfit out for the 2000s. You'll choose mine, I'll choose yours.
Okay.
We won't see each other. We're gonna do it separate. We'll meet back at the mall. I think it's somewhere around here. I honestly don't know this location very well. We'll go get into our outfits, and then we're gonna spend the day in 2000s fashion. That brings in a challenge of bringing it more into 2000s. One, we can't use our phone for maps, and we gotta put them on airplane mode during these challenges. Sorry. That also brings in MapQuest. I got a set of directions for all the places we gotta go. I've printed them out poorly. The printer doesn't really work. And we'll go ahead and take turns from each location guiding each other.
This might be the last time you hear from us.
Now there'll be a whole point system to this. We'll each get points based off how good we do at certain activities, but you as viewers get to vote on the best outfit and the best MySpace selfie, which will be at the end of this video.
I'm getting itchy.
All right, let's do it. Nina's gonna direct me the first time, and we're gonna go to our first thrift store.
I can't even read this.
Yeah. Okay, I genuinely don't know this area. Oh, was this the front?
This is the back.
Okay, that should be the, yeah. It should say A to B, B to C, C to D.
Head toward northeast 410.
Oh my gosh, how did people do? Okay, so
Go for 43 feet.
Just think of your foot 43 times.
Yeah.
I can't even get out of here.
Way.
I get a feel for where
This car's like, what are you doing? Sorry, using MapQuest here. I feel like I forget how to drive. What if we get lost? How do we, it doesn't reroute you. All right, we've so far left a parking garage and taken a left. I feel like it should be more illegal to use paper.
How could we have U-turned and ended up on
Yeah,
east?
that doesn't make sense. So do you think this has been point 8?
Maybe.
So I think we took,
The wrong one.
Yeah.
We just gotta go back to the booths.
Okay, go back to the
Go back to the booths. I'm gonna drive now.
So we just didn't go far enough, is what we think.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, there it is. All right.
We've arrived.
Trying to start with the pants, because I think that's going to be the hardest to find. I want like this or like this.
Matthew had a lesson in women's jean sizes.
Yeah, that was confusing. Like I found the right pants, but it was like a 7. But you said you needed a 6, which feels like it's the same thing, isn't it? But
No.
yeah, I wanted to look up. I needed to look up sizes and everything in there, and I couldn't.
A small child over.
Those are 2000s.
Alani's not.
Turn right on the Lock Hill Selma Road. Go for 0.3 miles. Continue on Isom Road.
Miles.
It's called Thrift at the Warehouse. Yeah, because that sign said 9.6. Oh, Thrift at the Warehouse, right there.
Okay.
Okay, this place is way better. They have way better shirts. This place is sick. But I still have no clue what to get. This is very difficult. All right, sweet. We got it. We're not gonna go to the third one. The third one looked really cool. It was like a big version of that, but.
Obviously I have changed attire because I found a shirt that I couldn't leave without. And they match my sunglasses.
Yeah, it's not what she's wearing for this, but it is what she's wearing right now. Road work begins. Yeah, I sure hope it does. Does it say where to park? Turn right, turn left is what it says. It literally says turn right, turn left.
Yeah, I'm still just gonna do what I want to do. I don't know at what point I should enter.
It's Friday at 2 o'clock and it's bumping. Where's she going? Where's he going? What's up with this trip? Do people just go up into the road right there?
Yes, this is San Antonio.
Made it to the mall.
Yay.
We'll get changed and then go
my
have some
other shirt?
fun. Hey, quick question. How do you get to the main mall?
The main mall.
Hey, and if I ask you a question, what year do you think we look like?
What year?
Yeah. Or decade.
Well, decade. I guess you could say.
Well, you look more 2000s.
Mm-hmm. Show off the fit.
Boom.
Show off
We
the
made
fit.
it. We made it. I think she got more.
More of a 90s vibe. I even have.
Right when Y2K happened. Okay, it counts. It's in the 2000s.
Yeah, it was the crossing of the decades, I'd say.
We're gonna go to some stores, get some food.
Hello.
I felt super awkward in there. Nina lived it up, but I felt super awkward. And we did the mall. The mall wasn't the big part of this. We've subconsciously, I guess, obviously have made Nina the driver. Things just feel older because I'm not using maps. Duck lips.
Why'd you duck lip? Duck lip is a girl thing, I thought. This was the...
I never remember if it's AM or FM.
It's FM.
What is in the container store?
Container? How long is this lot?
I think we passed it. Unless that's it.
No, because that's Eason. And here
We're
we
here.
are at Diversion's game room.
I'm gonna go kick Nina's butt in some games. Nina's ready to lose. Let's do this.
You have gray hair.
Nina's ready to lose. Let's do this. They're arcades. I mean, the pineapple's a pretty good one, or the toast, but the toast would be hard because it might get caught in the lip. We finished up at the arcade. We're gonna go to a bowling alley. We know where one's at too, so we don't really need MapQuest for this one.
I don't know what he's doing.
We're here at Bandera Bowling.
And
Not
we
much.
and we bowled. We
Nina
bowled.
did very good. She progressed.
Hey, I went from bowling. I think I bowled what the first game. We bowled 3 games.
30.
I bowled like 40, and then I bowled like 54 the second time, and then I bowled 63.
All right, we finished some bowling. You see it?
Yeah.
I just see the O.
Oh, my score.
On the way to get some very delicious pizza.
And hopefully they have the Tiffany lamps.
Kind of forgot I was wearing this.
Yeah, I'm in this 90s.
It's like a 90s
Stephanie
teacher.
Tanner. You watch
Stephanie
Full House. Drop a house emoji in the comments.
Drop a house emoji. We made it. Final stop of the day. Pizza Hut.
I have socks on.
They're bowling socks. They're sick. I don't think they have salad here anymore. They'd be sick. The salad bar at Pizza Hut was sick. We're still gonna go enjoy some pizza. Hopefully they have Tiffany lights.
Tiffany lamps.
Tiffany lamps. We're gonna go see and enjoy some pizza.
Is it? Okay.
Look at that. It's the old salad bar. Dang, if only they had the old salad bar.
Bring the salad bars back. Bring back dining in. Bring back dining. Do it. The children yearn for it.
So as we get home and inevitably rot on our couch and doom scroll for hours, I'm reminded that it was pretty nice to not have a phone and to just be present in the moment. And I think I'm gonna try to embrace that more often. I'm also reminded that there is a point system here and I'm currently down. So I need you guys to go ahead and finalize the vote. Go ahead and vote who was dressed the best and who has the best selfies, which are coming up right now.